Okay, guys. This is how you do or find the honor roll system for the South location, as given to us by one of the Wodify professionals. So log into Wodify with the username and password and perform the following.
In today's case, June 1st to June 27th. Hey, William, so to run that report, you'll go to Insights Members, and you'll want to filter the date range to be this month, or in today's case, June 1st to June 27th. It's going to take a second to load. Then you can click into Total Class Attendances. From there, it will give you a list of your athletes, the sign-ins. You can download the results. You'll just want to change it to Excel spreadsheet. The one I sent you was with visualization options applied. I would just leave it just like this. You can change the file name. Once you download it, it will be saved to your computer. Hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions.